Hey guys, this is Edward from Edward Labs. Today we are going to learn how to block internet connection in a Windows PC by creating outbound rule in Windows Firewall. Search for firewall in network protection. Open it. Click on Advanced Settings. Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security window will pop up. Go to Outbound Rules. And click New Rule. Select port and hit Next. Type port number 80,443 and hit Next. Select Block the connection and click Next. Apply the rule for all three profiles, that is domain, private and public, and click Next. Give any name for this new rule. For example, I am giving the name here as Block Internet Rule. Description is optional, so click Finish. Now, new rule has been created. Open any browser and search for anything. I am using Opera and searching for Google. It will show your internet access is blocked. You can also disable the rule when you want to use internet. Just select the rule and click on Disable Rule. You should be able to access the internet now. This is how you can disable and enable internet connection in a system. If you guys have any doubts, you can comment below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.